Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to list some of my top channels to learn Django, and this is going to be my own personal opinion based on my experience of learning Django. It's not going to be in any form of order whatsoever. I'm just going to list channels that I recommend that offer a lot of value when it comes to learning Django. First in my list here is Coding for Entrepreneurs. So Coding for Entrepreneurs, Justin Michel. So Justin has been pumping tutorials for such a long time. I think a lot of new channels have come and gone, but Justin has been pumping loads and loads of Python and Django tutorials for quite a long time. So huge props to Justin for the good tutorials on Django. Again, if you want long form real world projects, then you want to check out Coding for Entrepreneurs by Justin Michel. So the next one that I'd like to mention here is a channel that is called Very Academy. So Very Academy has also been a channel that has been of really big help to me in my learning over the years. I've watched a lot of the courses here from his channel. The good thing is that he explains a lot of things, not just how something works in Django, but why it works that way, from ORM courses to asynchronous tasks. I mean, there's a lot of content here that you're learning to explore why something is working, not just how something is working. Then Very Academy might be the channel for you. So as you can see, there's a lot of videos he's posted. If you want to dive deep into Django and fully understand the tiny details, then Very Academy is the channel for you. So the other channel that I'm going to talk about is a channel that is called Just Django, and just as the name suggests, this is a channel that is all about Django and maybe some front-end frameworks like React. So Matt has been posting a lot of channels. I think this is one of the channels that really helped me deploy my first Django application in an Ubuntu server. It's about project-based learning and also building real-world application. Also, if you're somebody who's looking to integrate Django with other front-end frameworks such as React, then Just Django is the channel for you. A lot of tutorials here, as you can see, Django and React, Django channels. So these are channels that is for building a real-world application, and also it helps you understand how to work with Django and Django REST framework. As you can see here, we do have a lot of Django REST frameworks here, a lot of React courses. So yeah, you definitely should check it out, and I highly recommend it for somebody who is looking forward to learn and integrate Django and other front-end frameworks such as React, and also master Django REST framework. As you can see, we have a lot of courses around Django REST framework and React. So yeah, this is a channel that I definitely recommend. He hasn't been posting in quite a while, but I think that the content that he put a while ago is still valuable. Most of them are still up to date and you can still use them. Now, the next in my list is one that I know you are pretty familiar with, and that is called Free Code Camp. So Free Code Camp is a non-profit organization that offers not only YouTube courses, but they do also have their own platform where you can just go and learn how to code without configuring any editor. They do have a platform that allows you to just get going as soon as possible. So definitely this is something that I know that a lot of you guys have learned a lot from, not only Django, not only coding, but a lot of courses here, as you can see. And the good thing with Free Code Camp is that they do update their courses almost every week with long form quality content. So these are industry experts. So we have all these courses over here which can really help you learn not only Django itself, but also Django REST framework. So this is something that you definitely need to check out if you want quality, in-depth, long-form courses to build some real-world projects. So yeah, I highly recommend that you check out Free Code Camp if you're looking to build real-world projects from industry experts. So Andres Judge creates a lot of tutorials around Django, HTMX, and also project-based stuff. So if you're looking to build like clones, for example, in his latest series, you can see that he have been building a clone of TikTok. So Andres Judge purely focuses on Django and HTMX and also Tailwind CSS. So if you're looking to build something from the back to front, using Tailwind and HTMX, then definitely you need to check out this chat. He also covers things such as Django worktails. If you are a Django and Python fan, then you'll definitely love this channel. Okay, so Django tenants, this was the first video that I watched in his channel. I really love the series. The explanations are really simple and easy to understand. We also have Docker courses, so definitely need to go and check out his channel. I think this is one of the best channels when it comes to learning Django, and if you're looking for up-to-date Django tutorials, then definitely check out Andres Judd. Now, next on my list is Backbytes. So this is a channel that offers bite-sized Django tips and also just general courses of Python. So if you're looking for up-to-date videos on Django, then you definitely need to check out Backbytes. So this is a channel that offers you just little tips and also some of the latest updates on Django, and just how to. The thing I like about Backbytes that they do offer latest courses. So every time Django releases a feature, then Backbytes I think will be the first channel to update you on the latest new Django features. So definitely you need to check out Backbytes. A lot of quality courses here from this channel, and yeah, I know you love it. If you're looking for project-based learning, then you definitely need to check out codemy.com. Alright, so with that one brings me to the end of my playlist when it comes to channels that are really helpful when it comes to learning Django and Python in general. So if you feel like there's a channel that I didn't mention, just put a comment, just put the name of the channel in the comment section. Then in my second series of the top Django channels, I would love to put it in the next episode of the top Django channel. So remember, these are our creators on YouTube. Creating these courses really takes a lot of time in planning, researching, putting them together, and also editing them. So if there's one way that you can support these creators, then you definitely need to do. The easiest form of supporting them is just by subscribing to their channels, giving it a like, and also sharing them with other fellow developers. So that is the least you can do for the creators, because it takes a lot of time to put a course together. Another way you can support them is just by buying their courses and products. Most of these creators do have their courses that they do offer on different channels like Udemy. Some of them have their own platforms, so you can go ahead and support them by buying their courses. Some of them, I believe, do have ebooks, maybe merch. So yeah, support them where you can to just keep them pumping this videos out. If you found any value in this video, then consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also share it with other developers. That's it, and see you in the next one.